In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell services online using the Jotform Store Builder. This tool is a fantastic option for those of you who want to create an online store to offer your services effectively and professionally. Let's dive in and see how you can set this all up seamlessly. First things first, you'll need to access the Jotform Store Builder. Start by logging into your Jotform account. Once you're in, navigate over to Jotform Apps and select Store Builder. Now you're all set to hit that Create Store button, which will launch the process of setting up your own service selling platform. With the store basics in hand, it's time to set up your store. Think about your store name and branding. Here, you'll add your business name, pop in your logo, and write a brief description to introduce your services. Don't forget to choose a theme that aligns with your service style. For instance, if your service is creative, maybe go with a lively theme to give potential clients a taste of your brand's personality right from the start. A significant part of selling services online is managing payment methods. Connecting a payment processor is crucial. You can choose from options like PayPal, Stripe, Square, or Authorize.net. Depending on how you want to structure your service offerings, you can set up one-time charges, recurring payments, or even deposits. Next up, you'll want to add your services as products, a step that plays a central role in defining what you offer. When you click on Add Product, select Service instead of Physical Product. Here, you'll provide details like the service name and description, giving a clear explanation of what you're offering. It's also important to set pricing, either fixed or allowing clients flexibility with their amount. Also, if you have different packages like basic, standard, and premium, this is the place to highlight those options. Moving on to delivery options, let's tailor this part for services, which usually involve digital elements or scheduling. You can incorporate things like consultation date selection, service duration options, or even digital download files if that's part of what you're providing. Another key feature is customizing service order forms using Jotform's Form Builder. This tool is a great help in capturing essential client information like their name and email, service preferences, and any additional instructions or files they might have. You can also use the appointment field for clients to select their preferred date and time. Before making your store live, configure checkout settings. Decide if clients can purchase multiple services simultaneously and whether to enable coupons or discounts for promotions. Setting taxes and shipping options is mostly optional for services, but it's there if needed. Finally, when you're happy with everything, it's time to publish your store. Click Publish, then either copy the store link to use as needed or embed it directly onto your website. Now you're ready to share your store link across social media, email campaigns, or directly on your website to start selling your services online. And there you have it, a streamlined guide to getting your service-based business online with Jotform Store Builder. Good luck and happy selling!